So I'm gonna buy them and see if this motivates me. At this point, I need anything to motivate me, you know? Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today we're gonna go back to school shopping. It is currently August 2nd and I go back September 4th. But you know what? I'm gonna go back to school shopping because I'm gonna jump on that back to school bandwagon. I don't even know why I'm buying school supplies because I barely even go to school. Let's hope that changes this year. And I haven't even registered for school and I don't even know what school I'm going to. So I don't even know why I'm buying school supplies, but we're just gonna do it anyways, you know? Okay, so I'm editing this at 2 a.m. and then I'm realizing how flustered I am in this video and how much I say but literally so please, oh my fuck, I just said so. Please just ignore that. I'm gonna try to cut out those words from my vocabulary because it makes me sound so stupid. Thanks. Okay, we gotta go because like the train's coming soon and like I don't want to miss it because like then I have to wait even longer, you guys know. Where the hell are my keys? Fuck. Okay, let's go. I'm not even gonna lock my door. Kidnap me. Do it. You won't. I don't know what time it is. Shit, we have 3 minutes. Should we run? I feel like we should run. Let's run. So I'm here at Walmart, but like, this is so awkward filming in a store. Okay, but so we're here at this Walmart and honestly the school supply section is so dry, so I think we might have to go to Staples. Okay, this is actually so cute and it's in Walmart, but like I don't need it, but I kind of want to buy it just because it's cute. Okay, so we're here at the Staples. There's a guy. Oh, and there's that employee walking by. Okay, so we're here at Staples and this is really awkward because that employee keeps walking by and noticing me. So we're here at Staples and I literally don't know what the f I need, so let's just hope for the best, you know? So we're gonna go back to school shopping. Alright, so we're gonna need some pens. This is like really awkward filming when people are looking. Like really awkward, especially these employees who have no work to do, so they're just gonna stare at me, so that's cool. Hey, these are literally like the best pencils ever, but like what the f $9? No thanks, I'm gonna lose them in one day. So $6 for pencils. $7 actually, $7, and they're on sale. No thanks. I don't know what to get. Like, I feel like I should get this pack of like really cool pens, but they're like $5 for 2 pens. Pens? Are these pens? Yeah, these are pens, but like when do I use pens? I don't know, guys. I don't know. There's a worker. I didn't realize how expensive school supplies were until I started paying them for myself. This is sad because I actually used to enjoy back to school shopping, but now just like the thought of school just, no. Oh, I don't know what to do, guys. I'm so indecisive. Like, should I even buy erasers? Like, I don't even use erasers. Got highlighters. And also, like, why the f are some highlighters so expensive? Who wants to pay $10 for this? I'm gonna lose it. Also, like, I feel like I understand when babies scream and stuff, and like I'm not mad at the parent or anything, but like just screaming babies like makes me like not want to have kids, you know, and like I already know that I'm not having kids, so like please keep screaming so that I just know that I don't want to have kids like 100%, 110%. Okay, so I feel like I want Sharpies. I'm gonna lose them, but I always ask people for Sharpies. Fuck, man, I'm gonna lose them, and I just wish they had packs of like the thin one and then, like the thicker one and then like the thick one, but they don't. Why is this me though? Just kidding. You know, I'm really just kidding, guys. Like, don't take that seriously, please. I'm still not sure if I want Sharpies or not. Fuck, I'm just gonna come back because I'm just wasting time. Designed for kids. Why do I want these? Like, I wish I could get markers and stuff and actually like find a use for them, but I don't need them, so I'm not gonna buy them. Coloring is fun. We should have coloring class again. Yo, oh my god, I used to buy these to make slime. We're back to those days. Oh, I wish I came to this Staples. There's so much more options of glue. Fuck, why am I in the Crayola section? I don't need anything. So like I'm trying to buy a math set for math, but like do they really think I'm trying to pay $19? Okay, I'm sorry, I'm swearing too much. So I'm trying to find a math set, and do they really think I'm gonna pay $19? $19 when I can just buy one for $2.71. Obviously I'm gonna buy the $2.71 one. Hopefully it has everything. If not, then I'm screwed. That's fine. When am I ever not? I'm thinking of like doing pretty notes this year and actually like maybe trying in school for once. So I'm thinking of getting these Stadler ballpoint thingies because like you can make such cute notes with them, so I'm gonna buy them and see see if this motivates me. At this point, I need anything to motivate me, you know? Y'all remember when we used to buy locker decorations and shit like that? Because I definitely do. I remember I was so hyped for that, but now my locker's lucky even if I come to it. I don't bring anything to school. Because, you know, like last year I didn't really have anything for school. I didn't go to my locker. These two are the same price, but one has, wait, what? Okay, yeah, I'm right. One of them has more Sharpies, so I'm gonna get, one of them has more highlighters. So I'm gonna get this one. I don't know if I'm gonna need scissors, but like I really, really want like kid scissors for some reason. They're so cute, you know? I feel like I'm gonna get them. I don't know. There's like these cool ones too, but like I want a yellow one. You know what? We're gonna buy kid scissors. No one needs to know. Why her binder is so expensive. Literally, this whole video is just gonna be me complaining about how, this video is literally just gonna be me complaining about how expensive everything is, but it's true. Like I feel like this is just gonna have to do this binder. Like how do I even open it? Like that's dumb, and I don't want that. I'm not gonna get the zip up ones because those are too expensive. Is it weird that I think a 1/2 inch binder is gonna be fine because I don't even like keep my schoolwork? But like, you know what? We're gonna get a bigger one because I feel like that is not okay for high school, especially grade 11. This is only 96 cents. If I break it, then I can just go get another one because regular binders are like $7. Also, I don't carry a backpack, so I want to see if this will fit in my purse. Is this okay, guys? I don't know. I don't know if this is acceptable. Like, is it okay to just walk around like... I don't even know. Frick. I don't know. I'm actually so indecisive right now. I haven't actually like bought school supplies and like went to school with supplies in a long... I didn't go to school with supplies last year. I kind of forgot what I need. This is hard. So I'm planning on taking bio, chem, math, social, and LA. So that's 5 subjects. They're gonna be split into 2 semesters. Fuck, I need 3 binders. Oh my god, I'm so indecisive. I feel like for math, it's literally just gonna be like a bunch of handouts. I'm gonna need like a smaller binder, and then for the handouts, I can just have like a file folder where I put that at home for all my extra handouts so that like I don't have to carry a bunch of handouts during school. That's kind of what I did for last year, but I just didn't put it in a binder. I just kind of threw it in my backpack, left it at home, and if I needed it, I would just grab it. Why is this more expensive? Like, why is this $3? What? Oh my god, I don't know what to do, guys. Help. Seriously, help me. This is literally just like a video of me struggling to figure out what to do for school. They're trying to charge me like $6 for fucking index cards that I can get for like $1 at the dollar store. But I'm too lazy to go to the dollar store. So we're gonna buy this pack, which comes with 150 that come on like spiral rule thingies, and hope that works. These are so cute, but they're $4. We're not buying them. It is now 8:46, and I think we're done with shopping now. I mean, I'm kind of done, so that means we're done. I don't want this one anymore, sorry. Oh god. Don't mind the mess in the background. I have to film a clothing haul video. It's now 12:02 a.m. I went home and I played Fortnite. I'm gonna actually film a haul for you guys now. I went to Staples and I got my school supplies. You guys saw I was complaining the whole time. And it turned out to $80, and I literally don't know how, but it did. Let's get started. So I got this 5-pack of Sharpies. I don't know, I got this fucking 5-pack of Sharpies. Maybe I'm gonna actually highlight things this year and, you know, maybe like pay attention. So I hope these help. And they just come in pink, orange, yellow, green, and blue. I just read all those color out for you guys just in case you guys are colorblind. Then I got these Stadler ballpoint bright brilliant ink colors, and these are in the ball 432, and I got these Focus Beauty Guru Life, and I got these because like I thought it'd be really cute to like make cute notes with. I don't know if I even make notes, you know. Then I got this pack of math. I got this math set because I'm gonna actually show up to math this year. Last year I had 29 absences, so I got this 3-pack for $5, and it comes with 150 cards, which is like really expensive for 150 cards because you can get like a pack of 100 for like $1 at the dollar store. But then I didn't want to go to the dollar store, so I just bought these, and they come in like little spirals, so I won't have to buy rings for them. So like I think I'm gonna actually like study this year. Can you shut the fuck up? Hope that's better. I just closed my door. But like, so I got this. So I'm actually hoping to like use these this year. Okay, this one's like, I'm being serious. When I used to actually study back in grade 9, like I used a lot of index cards, so I thought I might pick these up because like they'd be really helpful for like LA for vocab, social for vocab, or like science, you know what I mean? So I'm probably gonna have to buy more of these throughout the year, but I just got this to start off with. And I got like the best paper in the world. This is the 5-star quad heavyweight refill paper. This is like super thick paper. It's like it won't rip very easily, and I got this to like write my neat math notes because like how I do it is like in class, like I never write them neat because I don't have enough time, so like I scribble all over the page, and like when I have time and like when I actually study, I will rewrite my notes. So this is what the paper is for, and this is for math. This is like the graph paper. And then I got this poly binder slash pockets. So then I got an 80-page graph Hilroy notebook, and this is for like when I do textbook work in math, because I don't want to write like messy shit all over my nice paper. And like whenever I do math, like that shit is messy. Like it is so big, like no one understands it, whatever. I don't even understand it, but I try. So then I got kid scissors because like I really like the color yellow, and then I just like thought maybe I would need scissors sometime. But they were like really cute, so why not? And they were like what, like $3 I think. So like see, look, it's like sparkly, so I thought that was really cute. And I got this blue 5-star one subject notebook because this is gonna be probably one of my subjects. But like when like a new semester starts, when I get new core subjects, I'll just get new notebooks. But for now I have this blue one for probably bio or chem, I'm not sure yet. And I got this one for like either social or LA. It really just depends what I get first. That's the first bag. Then I got this for math. This is just a backpack window file with 5 folders, and I got this for handouts for math because I don't carry a backpack to school and I don't go to my locker or anything, so I just literally carry everything by hand, and I don't want to carry like a huge ass math binder with all my handouts in it because that'd be too much. I got this, and I just plan on putting each of my handouts in here, and this way I can separate them and stuff like that. Then I got this black binder. This will be for one of my subjects, either social or LA, and this is just a 1-inch binder because you know how in each subject you do different units. So once one unit is done, I will take that home and put it somewhere else, and then I will keep it empty for a new unit. And like once that unit's done, I'll keep it somewhere else for like finals I can study. But like it's not necessary to carry that around all year. Again, I don't carry a backpack, so I like to have like as little things as I can possible on me. So I got this, and this was like $1 because I honestly don't care, because like the cheapest one next to this was like $7, so I was like, might as well just break a binder 7 times, right? And just like keep rebuying it for the same price of one binder. I think I got this, no, I definitely got this binder for math. Oh, this is to keep my like unit that we're working on. This is a 1/2-inch binder, that's why I got that, because this is to keep the unit that we're working on. And oh, I bought this so like I could put this in this binder so that like I could keep it organized from like the notes on how to do it, and then the handouts in here also. Okay, that makes sense. So this is for my math. Then I got these dividers for like social, bio, or whatever, but like I definitely think I'm gonna need more, but that's fine. If I need more, then I will buy more. Not trying to waste my, what the fuck? I got 2, so never mind, scratch that. I don't need more. What the hell? I definitely thought I bought 1. Oh my god. Okay, well, I'm definitely not gonna need to buy more. Then I got another one of those $1.98 binders, and this one's gonna be for like my sciences, so. I bet you a lot of you guys right now are like, oh my god, girl, you need way more binders, like a bigger binder for high school. Don't worry, because I know that if I have a big binder, it's just gonna get all messy and shit like that. And I got a 200 sheets of heavyweight refill paper, and this one has just the lines on it. And this is, again, for my really nice notes. Again, I like to really scribble everything down and like just scribble a whole bunch of notes. And sometimes whenever teachers explain a unit, it's just all over the place. When the unit is finished and I'm trying to study for like the unit final, I like to rewrite all the note sections that I like. Then I got these 2 Energel pens, and I thought these looked like good pens. But the last 2 things that I got is these 2 packs of Bic pencils. Who knew mechanical pencils were so expensive? But I got these 2 packs for $6 for both of them, and these are in the 0.5 lead. 0.7 lead is like more common, but 0.5 lead is just more aesthetically pleasing, so I got 0.5 lead. And these are like the ugly looking ones because I didn't want to get the sparkly cute ones because those were more expensive. This is not for school supplies, but I stopped at Sally's Beauty and I got myself some purple shampoo so that my hair doesn't turn like f***ing orange again. Oh my god. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and follow my social medias on the screen right there, especially my Instagram and my spam account. My spam account, you guys know, if you guys follow my spam account, about all the live streams I have and like just all the dumb shit I put on my story, you know? So that's it for the video. Until next time, peace.